Welcome to today's vlog episode. Today, I'll be showing you what are the best beginner exercises for you to train your back. So there's a total of 4 different exercises. I start off with doing a leg pull down, which is on a cable machine. And after that, I do another variation of a straight arm pull down, also on the cable machine. Then I move on to doing a very standardized pull-ups on the pull-up machine. Then after that, I'm doing my last exercise is a dumbbell row. So, why I say these 4 are basic exercises that you should do as a beginner, because 2 of them really work your leg, which is gives you that nice V shape. So, the other 2 of them will train the thickness and also a bit of the width of the back. And also in terms of balancing out training of the different body parts, right? All 4 of them are very compatible to do, and they are not extremely complex. They are relatively safe. So in my video later on, I'll explain to you to try different variations if you do not have the same setup or if you're not strong enough to try. Stay tuned to find more. So this is the cable machine which I usually like to use for almost all of my trainings, training my clients, training myself, because cables are very versatile. They have complete tension from point A to point B, so like you're not losing tension in any starting positions. And also this particular cable machine here in the gym that I train my clients at, they have a special pad which you can use to brace. So it's good that if you do not have sufficient core or leg strength, because the pad can help you to stabilize better. So I like to do exercise like chest flies, bicep curl, tricep press down, leg pull downs, straight arm pull downs. Glutes, I maybe will do some kickbacks, you know, some cable crunches for abs. So you can see here this leg pull down. I done it single arm, 1 arm at a time. So I have the purple pad, it's just to make sure that I have a little bit more stability, so I can keep my chest braced, my core is tight, my spine is neutral, I'm not trying to arch my back. And I'm just focusing on driving my elbows and shoulders straight down, not backwards. So why do I always say do exercise single arm? Because number one, let's say if you're a right-hander, you usually would have a stronger side. So doing things one hand at one time would really even up the imbalances and bring up your weaker side to be stronger. So there's more benefit, and also you can isolate one part at a time. So this is another variation of a leg exercises. It's a straight arm pull down. I'm using a special rope. So I do it one hand at one time because I just like to focus on one side at one time to remove my imbalances. Then here is a very good machine that you may or may not have in your gym. It's a very simple assisted pull-up and dip machine. The view is damn nice, right? You know, you can see like the CBD skyline. Okay, just off topic, this gym is at 24 Ace Fit at Farrer Park. I usually train my clients here, and it's a pretty nice view and also pretty quiet, spacious. So if you're in for personal training, drop me a message, reach out to me. So back to this machine, why is it useful? If you're struggling with doing, you know, like dips or pull-ups or chin-ups, definitely this is one for you to go, because there's a lot of weight to be using for your assistance. So you can start a little bit heavier, then go lighter as you get stronger, and you can adjust the pads. The handles here on the dip machine, whether you want to do a closed grip or wide grip. So try it, you know, let me know, tag me on Instagram, RAWRFITNESS, on my videos, because the exercises that help you train better, and let me know how it goes, you know. So I am doing a wide grip pull-ups. The difference between doing this wide grip pull-up and a wide grip pull-down, the difference is that wide grip pull-ups obviously is harder. So you need a lot more stabilization, not just from your back, your chest, your core, your shoulder, your bicep. Everything has to work in conjunction. So this is a very advanced exercise. If you are weak at it, try the assistance. I'm finishing off with a very traditional one-arm dumbbell bent over row. As you can see, my body is almost 45 degrees bent. So try to control it if you can't use an incline bench. Thanks for watching today's episode. So I'll be coming up with more beginners use exercises such as shoulders, legs, chest, and also arms. So let me know how do you find it, and try the exercises that I have shown in the video.
and drop me a comment how you feel, whether you can feel your muscle that is working correctly, and also do you feel more confident training. And also, I'm opening up personal training slots in Fair Park or Bugis. So drop me a DM here, my email, karaderek@gmail.com, or message me on Instagram, KaraDerekFitness. I'll be happy to help you achieve your goals in 2022. So take care, train hard, stay safe, bye bye.